A very good morning, viewers. I'm Preeti Chaudhary. My camera person Sachin and I come to you right outside the Punjab Bhavan in Chandigarh to get you quickly apprised with what is actually going on. Can you see these back-to-back Innova cars and Fortuners rather? This is the parade of the MLAs that have started to filter in at the tea party organized by the incumbent Chief Minister Amrinder Singh before the anointment, the coronation of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the Punjab Congress chief. There you have it, one by one, each of the MLAs coming in. Most of them already in, 80 MLAs there, 77 of the Congress, 3 had joined from the Aam Aadmi Party. What we are expecting in just about 5 minutes from now is Navjot Singh Sidhu, who would also be coming in. What's interesting, viewers, this would be the first time after months of acrimony between the captain and the new captain of Punjab, Navjot Singh Sidhu, that they would be coming in face to face. So the tea call, the party was at 10 a.m. What we do know is about most of the MLAs are already in. Navjot Singh Sidhu is supposed to come in. He's also been invited, and from there on, the entire contingent of the Congress trying to show a show of strength as they're all one together will be proceeding to the Congress Bhavan here, and that is where the anointment of the new Congress team will take place in Chandigarh at 11 a.m. I want to just quickly, before I cut across to the headlines, I want to get in a word. I have my colleague Satyendra right here. I want to get in a word. This whole media stakeout right outside the Punjab Bhavan, where the high tea is taking place before the announcement. Satyendra, what do you think? After, I think, 2-3 months, Captain and Sidhu will be face to face. Too much water down the bridge. From here on, they'll be moving towards Congress Bhavan, where the coronation will take place. Sidhu to come in any time right now. What is expected? Because most of the MLAs are in, and that is where the actual anointment will take place.
देखिए, नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू ने कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को बाई इनवाइट बुलाया है, लेकिन क्या आपने इससे पहले कभी देखा है कि एक इनविटेशन लेटर दिया जाता है? उस इनविटेशन लेटर पे भी विधायकों के साइन कराए जाते हैं। तो भले ही ये चाय पार्टी हो रही है, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को बुलाया है या नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू अब कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को लेकर पंजाब कांग्रेस के हेडक्वार्टर जाएंगे, लेकिन अभी भी जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर दृश्य आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, विजुअल्स आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, दोनों तरफ से अभी भी ये शो ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ चल रहा है, यानी कि शक्ति प्रदर्शन अभी भी जारी है और ये जारी रहेगा आने वाले समय में। कुछ समय बाद पंजाब के विधानसभा चुनाव होने हैं और इन चुनाव में बहुत सारी कमेटीज बनेगी, टिकट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होगा, मैनिफेस्टो कमेटी बनेगी, कैंपेन कमेटी बनेगी और उन कमेटी में बतौर अध्यक्ष पंजाब के नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल होगा। तो दूसरी तरफ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह है। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह अभी भी पंजाब कांग्रेस के भी और पंजाब सरकार के मुखिया हैं और पंजाब के चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं। अब कांग्रेस की कमान नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू को मिलने जा रही है। हालांकि कांग्रेस आला कमान का इस पूरे एपिसोड में बड़ा इंटरफेयर रहा और उसकी वजह से ये चाय पार्टी हो रही है, लेकिन सवाल यहाँ पर सिर्फ ये खड़ा होता है कि कांग्रेस आला कमान इन दोनों के हाथ मिलवा सकती है, दिल कैसे मिलेंगे? और जब तक दिल नहीं मिलेंगे तब तक कहीं ना कहीं ये अंतरकलह है किसी ना किसी रूप में सामने आती रहेगी। तो आज का सवाल सिर्फ ये है, क्या हाथ मिलाने से बात बनेगी या दिल भी मिलेंगे? अभी सोर्सेज ये भी कह रहे हैं कि नवजोत सिंह सिद्धू, कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने कहा था कि पब्लिक अपॉलॉजी उनको माफी मांगनी पड़ेगी सार्वजनिक रूप पर, और वो आज यहाँ पर अंदर विधायकों के सामने, मंत्रियों के सामने कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह से माफी मांग सकते हैं। लेकिन ये माफीनामा कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को क्या उसी तरीके से कबूल होगा जैसे इस चाय पार्टी के लिए इन्विटेशन दिया गया है? यानी कि जब दिल्ली से फोन आएगा तब कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह मानेंगे। तो इस माफीनामे के पीछे अब कितना सस्पेंस चलेगा, कितना राजीनामा, ये करार इनका कितना आगे चलता है, ये आने वाला वक्त बताएगा। लेकिन फिलहाल जो लग रहा है कि ये कहीं ना कहीं सिर्फ
सत्येंद्र, मैंने और आपने काफी इलेक्शन कवर किए हैं पंजाब में, जो नज़ारे हम यहाँ पे देख रहे हैं, ऐसा तो लग रहा है कि कोई मतलब कांग्रेस ने कोई इलेक्शन जीत लिया है। जहाँ पे एमएलएज हैं ये जुलूस सा निकाल रहे हैं, ये कोई इलेक्शन तोड़ना जीता है, अपनी पार्टी में एक पोस्ट मिली है।
और इससे पहले 30 कांग्रेस के अध्यक्ष 30 से ज्यादा यहाँ पर बन चुके हैं। और क्या इससे पिछले 5 अध्यक्षों के नाम मैं पूछूं तो जो मौजूदा है सुनील जाखड़ के अलावा आपको ये भी नहीं पता होगा कौन अध्यक्ष रहा, कब बना, कब हटा। लेकिन यहाँ पर जो ये माहौल है और ये विजुअल भी हम साथ के साथ दिखाएं कि ऐसा लग रहा है ये कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष का नहीं, ये मुख्यमंत्री बन रहा है। और मुख्यमंत्री बनने से पहले आपने देखा होगा विधायकों को टी पार्टी कब दी जाती है। अगर यहाँ पर टी पार्टी देनी थी तो क्योंकि कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष चुना जा रहा है तो कांग्रेस के नेताओं को देनी चाहिए थी, कांग्रेस कार्यकारिणी के लोगों को देनी चाहिए थी, निगमों बोर्ड्स के चेयरमैन को देनी चाहिए थी, उन लोगों को देनी चाहिए थी जो कांग्रेस पार्टी का प्रचार करेंगे पूरे पंजाब में जाकर। लेकिन यहाँ पर पार्टी दी जा रही है विधायकों को, तो लग ऐसा रहा है यहाँ पार्टी अध्यक्ष का चुनाव नहीं हो रहा, यहाँ सीएम का चुनाव हो रहा है।
पर एक और सवाल पूछूंगी, आज यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे, अभी एक शो ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ जो आप कह रहे हैं दोनों कैंप से अभी भी जारी है, पर एक पब्लिक इमेज प्रोजेक्ट की जा रही है कि हम सब एक साथ हैं। अब यहाँ से जब निकलेंगे जल्दी से हमें बता दीजिए कि सत्येंद्र जी के सिद्धू तो बनेंगे कांग्रेस चीफ, उनके साथ साथ और कौन कौन नई टीम में शामिल है?
देखिए यहाँ पर भी कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप बात करें इस पूरे उसकी एपिसोड की, तो यहाँ पर भी कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह को कहीं ना कहीं डाउन प्ले किया गया है। कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह ने ये फॉर्मूला रखा था कि अगर आप अध्यक्ष अपनी पसंद का बता रहे हैं तो 2 कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष मेरी पसंद के रख लीजिए, जो नवजीत,
वो नहीं किया गया।
उसकी जगह 4 कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष बना दिए गए, लेकिन कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह की चॉइस को यहां पर दरकिनार कर दिया गया। और इन 4 कार्यकारी अध्यक्ष में कौन है? कुलजीत सिंह नागरा। कुलजीत सिंह नागरा कहीं ना कहीं राहुल गांधी के टीम के सदस्य हैं, बतौर उन्हें माना जाता है। डैनी, सुखबीर सिंह डैनी, वो भी राहुल गांधी के टीम से ही आते हैं। पवन गोयल, उनका नाम ही कोई शायद नहीं जानता पंजाब की राजनीति में कहाँ से आए हैं। हालांकि ये कहा जा रहा है कि कम्युनल उसको नंबर्स को ध्यान में रखा गया है, पूरे हर एक उसको
कम्युनिटी को रिप्रेजेंट
किया गया है। मालवा, दोआबा और इसको इनको भी जो माझा, तीनों रीजन को भी रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है। लेकिन फिलहाल ऐसा लग रहा है कि ऑल वेल दिखाई नहीं है।
Well, all well दिखाई नहीं है, पर जो अंदर हो रहा है, it really does seem that there is a constant push right now, at least with all the MLAs that we've spoken to, and you can see now there's that constant stream of cavalcade that is right outside the Punjab Bhavan as these MLAs filter in for the Tea Party. There's this one constant refrain. Every time we walked up to an MLA who's filing in, and you know, there's a way, it's interesting because the surround sound is always more interesting in juicy political events like this. If you can see, most of the MLAs, all of them actually that I have seen, have come in these crisp white kurtas and black juttis there, all of them coming in, filtering in. And like I said, one constant refrain that you can hear from them is that we are one, the Congress party is one. Very different from what we have seen in the last couple of months, where at least from Navjot Singh Sidhu there was a push to show that he has support of certain number of MLAs, and it's all within the Congress party. Let's listen in to all the reactions that have filtered in through the course of the morning.
I think it is a very good beginning for the Congress party, and I welcome the move because I think it's going to strengthen Congress party at every juncture. And this was long overdue, and I congratulate Shri Navjot Sidhu for taking over today. And I think Congress seems to be rejuvenated today, with both of them on board today, and Captain Amrinder Singh being gracious enough to host this breakfast and tea. I congratulate the entire Congress party and the leadership of this.
देखो, सब विधायक एक जगह इकट्ठे हुए हैं, सबकी ये कोशिश है अभी एक यूनाइटेड मैसेज जाए, और आज आप जैसे देख रहे हैं तैयारियां सब मुकम्मल हैं, और आज जब सब आएंगे इधर तो आप देखेंगे सारे एक फ्रेम में, सारे हमारी जो लीडरशिप है वो एक फ्रेम में दिखेगी, जो कि रैंक एंड फाइल की सबकी एक डिमांड थी। और उसी तहत अभी आप देखेंगे थोड़ी देर में ही कैप्टन साहब, सिद्धू साहब सब एक जगह इकट्ठे होके, साथ में और सीनियर हरीश रावत जी और हमारे एक्स-पीसीसी प्रेसिडेंट्स और सारे सीनियर लीडरशिप एक फ्रेम में इकट्ठी आपको दिखेगी।
सिद्धू है। Alright, it does seem Navjot Singh Sidhu has finally arrived for the Tea Party. It seems that is his car. Yes, it is his car, and that's Navjot Singh Sidhu who's arrived for the Tea Party. What we are expecting right now, and of course these are only murmurs because now there seems to be a push within all the MLAs, at least publicly, to project that the Congress is one. On board are both the Chief Minister and the newly minted President of the Congress Party. That is Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's filing in, refusing to take any questions. Word is in that he might, in front of his MLAs, maybe not seek an apology, but try and strike a reconciliatory note with the captain of all the rancor that has taken place over the last few months. So this is what it looks like right now. Hectic activity outside the Punjab Bhavan. All of this, viewers, is going to shift very soon to the Congress Bhavan, because that is where the coronation, the anointment of Navjot Singh Sidhu, along with 4 working presidents, will take place. I want to cut across right now to my colleague Manjeet who is joining us outside the Congress Bhavan. These are visuals, everybody trying to get that money shot. To read body language of Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's finally come in. Everybody wanting to see what is his body language. He refused to take any questions. Just waved out to the press. But yeah, that's his car. And Navjot Singh Sidhu has arrived after most MLAs have already filtered in. He, viewers, would be the new president of the Congress in Punjab. What it tantamounts to, what it brings. 6 months before elections, only time will tell whether it's a masterstroke by the Congress High Command or a big gamble or a blunder. We'll only know when that last vote is counted in 6 months when Punjab goes to election. So I want to cut across right now to my colleague Manjeet Sehgal. A fair amount of chaos and pandemonium here. Everybody in a flurry to try and get in a reaction from Navjot Singh Sidhu. But I want to cut across to Manjeet. Manjeet, we're at the Punjab Bhavan now. Lots of hectic activity here. It'll all shift in the next 1 hour to the Congress Bhavan where you are stationed. What are you witnessing around you? Is there a sense, Manjeet, of celebration? Because, you know, what we're picking up here is very strange. This is not somebody who's won an election. This is not somebody who's been anointed as the chief minister candidate. It's somebody's been given the post of the Congress president in Punjab. Is there a sense of celebratory mode in the Congress Bhavan as well, where you are?
Well, Preeti, we are outside Punjab Bhavan. Yes, as you said, there was a celebration there. The leaders belonging to Navjot Singh Sidhu camp were in a celebratory mood even before Navjot Singh Sidhu was announced as a new Punjab Congress Committee chief. We have just seen Navjot Singh Sidhu entering Punjab Bhavan, and before Navjot Singh Sidhu, another arch rival, Brahm Mohindra, who is the cabinet minister and holding the charge of local bodies, which was once given to Navjot Singh Sidhu, has also entered Punjab Bhavan. Brahm Mohindra had backed Punjab.
Okay, Manjeet, 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 I'm going to just come in, and the reason, Manjeet, I'm just dipping in is I just want to get, give our viewers a sense. Coming in right now is the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh. His cavalcade is pulling in right now. Not yet though, yes, but a steady stream of MLAs, but we are expecting the Captain's cavalcade to pull in any time right now. He's left for the Punjab Bhavan from his residence. He lives, the official residence of the Chief Minister of Punjab is just about a kilometer down the same road of where Punjab Bhavan is. So the minute you get out on the left, it's right there. He was waiting, viewers, is what we are being told, and understandably so. Because there are a lot of egos involved, and in politics, egos are very, very frail. He was waiting for the visuals to stream in of Navjot Singh Sidhu to come in only then. Now he's making his way. 90% of the MLAs, which are 80, 77 of the Congress, 3 came from the AAP. They're all already inside, last few filtering in. Navjot Singh Sidhu already in. And what we are awaiting right now is Captain Amrinder Singh, the Chief Minister, to come. And I want to cut across back to Manjeet. Manjeet, egos are frail, already hurt, bruised, where the last few months have taken, with what has gone down in the last few months. Captain Amrinder Singh on his way here. From here, Manjeet, they will all be moving en masse together, at least publicly, to show that the entire Congress camp is together towards the Congress Bhavan for the coronation of Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Yes, Preeti, we have witnessed the bitter fighting between the two rival camps during the past 2 months. But now, after the intervention of the party high command, sources telling us that 2 prominent leaders, one Priyanka Gandhi and Harish Rawat, the party general secretary, were constantly in touch with the Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh and requesting him to join the installation ceremony of Navjot Singh Sidhu. Secondly, Captain Amrinder Singh's stance was also being viewed against the party high command's action that was also not in line with the party high command. So these were the facts which compelled or motivated Captain Amrinder Singh to forget his stance for time being. Maybe this could be a temporary truce, but both the camps, be it Navjot Singh Sidhu or Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, are trying to present.
I want to show, right. Manjeet, I want to just show for our viewers on how the wheels within wheels in the Punjab Congress still roll. Why do I say that? Can you see right outside these band of men in the white kurta pajamas? All of them are MLAs of the Congress party. They are actually waiting for Captain Amrinder Singh to come in, and only then will they go inside with him. So, like I said, while the ones who are supporting Sidhu or openly had supported Sidhu have already walked in with him inside. So, technically, the show of strength still continues, because look at what's happening right behind me. These MLAs refusing to enter, the building, which is the Punjab Bhavan, where an invitation has been given out by Captain Amrinder Singh to all the MLAs. Now, the ones that had publicly shown loyalty to Navjot Singh Sidhu are sitting inside the Punjab Bhavan with Navjot Singh Sidhu, waiting for the captain to come in. Those who have clearly now seem to pledge allegiance to Captain Amrinder Singh are waiting for their captain to roll in with his cavalcade and will only go in with him. So this is what the entire situation where the Congress lot in Punjab is. There are wheels within wheels. All is not well. There might be an attempt to portray that public picture that all is well. If you can see, they're still waiting. They're refusing to go inside. I want to cut across back to Manjeet to get an opinion on this. Manjeet, we keep talking about that, today is this attempt by the Congress to show that all is well, that both camps have come together. Sidhu and Amrinder Singh are finally on the same page. Clearly not. Like I said, even where I am standing, Manjeet, the Sidhu loyalists sitting inside the Punjab Bhavan with him, while the ones who pledged allegiance to the captain are waiting outside, waiting for the captain to come in, and only then they will go in.
Yes, indeed, Preeti, this is a sort of show of strength by the two rival camps. Navjot Singh Sidhu and his supporters have already entered the Punjab Bhavan. Captain Amrinder Singh's supporters are waiting for Captain Amrinder Singh, and both the rival factions, be it Navjot Singh Sidhu or Captain Amrinder Singh, are here for a show of strength. Though the message to the party high command will be that we are united, and efforts made by both the rivals is to send a right message to the Congress cadres that there is no factionalism in the Congress party. For time being, this is a truce. This may be temporary, but both the factions are now trying to present a united face among the party cadre, which were confused during the past 2 months when two leaders were constantly attacking each other. Even Navjot Singh Sidhu had questioned the functioning of Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh in 150 tweets, which according to Captain were derogatory in nature. Navjot Singh had questioned functioning of the Chief Minister, and the biggest allegation was that Captain had colluded with the Badals. There were many failures as well, which were listed by Navjot Singh Sidhu. That also includes the desecration of the holy books like Guru Granth Sahib and other scriptures. The other issue was the corruption and the poll promises which were made by the Congress party. Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh, according to Navjot Singh Sidhu and his camp, failed to fulfill these poll promises. 18 poll promises were also listed before the three-member panel by Sidhu and his camp. The party high command has also directed Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh to fulfill all these poll promises before the elections. Only 6 months are left. There are challenges before Navjot Singh Sidhu and Chief Minister as well. It will not be easy for the party to seek the votes, as some of the poll promises, major poll promises, including jobs to every household, have not been fulfilled so far. There is anti-incumbency against the Congress government. So all these challenges are before the Congress party, and banking on these failures of Congress government, the opposition parties like Aam Aadmi Party and Shiromani Akali Dal can benefit. That is why the party high command is constantly intervening and trying to unite both the factions so that the harm that has been caused to the party during the past 2 to 3 months can be mitigated. So efforts of the party high command used to unite all the factions so that party can focus on the 2022 elections.
All right, okay, Manjeet. All right, okay. So the rest of the MLAs and some of the sitting cabinet ministers right now filtering in right at the Punjab Bhavan. It is an uneasy truce, and there is no denying it. It's a huge gamble that the High Command has taken, but the High Command of the Congress has seemingly bitten the bullet. They've placed their bets on Navjot Singh Sidhu. It is for him to win or lose this election, which is in 6 months' time. Will the captain assist him? Either way, well, only time will tell. But when I say it is an uneasy truce, because these visuals stand testimony to that. The Chief Minister is finally coming in after all the MLAs are inside with Navjot Singh Sidhu. Navjot Singh Sidhu has been there 10 minutes down. He's waiting with his loyalists, and now the Chief Minister's cavalcade is pulling in. The Chief Minister's residence is just about 1 kilometer from the Punjab Bhavan, and viewers, that is his cavalcade that is pulling in. What we are expecting is there are rumors, and once again, you know, it's such a juicy political story. Speculations are rife that will Navjot Singh Sidhu, who's at least publicly taken a very aggressive, very aggressive, yeah, there you have it, that's Captain Amrinder Singh. He's just come in, and publicly, of course, you know, Navjot Singh Sidhu, with what I was saying, has taken a rather aggressive stand against the captain. Right now, inside the closed doors of the Punjab Bhavan, where this tea party thrown by the captain is taking place, there's word coming in that Sidhu might look at striking a reconciliatory note, where he might you know, apologize for anything which has gone down, which the captain did not like. Will the captain accept that is the big question, because what has been asked by the captain and his camp is a public apology that would be issued by Navjot Singh Sidhu, and that never happened. Despite of that, the captain today is joining in the anointment, the coronation of Navjot Singh Sidhu as the new Punjab Congress chief. Lots going on, viewers. I want to cut across back to Manjeet because, you know, one thing is very clear, Manjeet, that the Congress High Command has now put their bet on Navjot Singh Sidhu. It is an election in 6 months for Navjot. It's Navjot Singh Sidhu's election. If he wins, it's a big win, but if he loses, this election will be on him. Will the captain assist him either way? Well, only time will tell. But, you know, let's look at it. Not just is he now the Congress president without an apology, he is taking over. The captain insisted on an apology, he didn't get one, and the captain has just gone inside face to face, practically for the first time after months of a very aggrieved battle with Navjot Singh Sidhu. But even what he'd asked for the High Command, Manjeet, and that's, I want you to come in here. Captain had asked that for the working president, 2 of his men be accommodated. They were not 2. 4 working presidents today will also be anointed alongside Navjot Singh Sidhu, and not one of them is captain's man.
Well, Preeti, as far as the truce formula is concerned, that failed even before it was announced. Captain Amrinder Singh and his camp had forwarded names of some prominent Hindu and Dalit leaders, but those were not considered, and party high command insisted on appointing leaders of their choice. That is why Captain Amrinder Singh camp is miffed with the party high command and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Remember, the communities, 38% of the electorate is being represented by the Hindus. Nearly 32% of the electorate are represented by the Dalit community. So Captain Amrinder Singh camp had suggested some prominent leaders from these communities to give them equal representation. But the working presidents, which the party high command chose, are not as prominent as the leaders were suggested by the Captain Amrinder Singh. So this was a big point. That is why Captain Amrinder Singh is miffed. As far as Navjot Singh Sidhu is concerned, party high command has put entire weight behind him. Navjot Singh Sidhu was made a PCC chief by the party high command against the wishes of Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh. Captain Amrinder Singh had raised a number of issues why he was trying to forestall the elevation of Navjot Singh Sidhu. But now, as Captain Amrinder Singh has agreed to call a truce, has joined Navjot Singh Sidhu and other leaders who are against the Captain Amrinder Singh camp, it will be interesting to note whether this truce will be permanent or will be temporary. Both the leaders are meeting first time, face to face, after months of bitter fighting. Both will be going back to the Congress Bhavan where the installation ceremony will take place. Hundreds of supporters have already reached Chandigarh. Both the supporters belong to Captain and Navjot Singh Sidhu. Remember, 58 MLAs who were present at Navjot Singh Sidhu's Amritsar residence had signed the invitation letter. That was a message to the Captain camp that they respect him as an elder. Even Navjot Singh Sidhu, in his individual invitation letter, which was handed over to Captain yesterday, had referred to him as the eldest in the Punjab Congress unit. Navjot Singh Sidhu also tried to clear that he had no personal agenda, but he was pursuing a people's agenda. That led Captain Amrinder Singh to accept and embrace the two leaders who were there. And then immediately after meeting these two leaders, Captain Amrinder Singh had announced a high tea, which is currently going on at Punjab Bhavan. So what remains to be seen, Priti, is that whether this truce will be permanent or temporary.
Well, whatever it is, whether it's permanent or temporary, political analysts can keep betting on it. But one thing we're very clear about, viewers, that it is an uneasy truce, whichever way you look at it. Whether it actually holds in months to come or it fractures, especially when the biggest acid test of this truce will be put to the table, which is ticket distribution. Well, either of that, but one thing is clear. It is a very, very uneasy truce. And that can be made out by the body language of the MLAs which are coming in, leave alone Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain Amrinder Singh, who would be face to face together after months of acrimony. What has gone down has been unprecedented. What we are seeing right now, viewers, is unprecedented in Punjab politics, or rather politics of any state. Since when has the coronation or the anointment of president of a party in a state been such a big event? It actually seems like this is a victory march of sorts for Navjot Singh Sidhu and his MLAs. It's not that he's won an election, he's been given a post, he has 6 months to prove whether he can come good on, the confidence that has been shown in him by the Congress High Command. But what we are seeing seems to be this big sense of celebratory victory. But, while we count down to what's going to take place inside, I'll tell you what. So the word is, and it's always nice to, get in the juicy tidbits that you pick up from the MLAs that you try and talk to before they go into an event like that. So there is a word right now, though the captain had not liked. Now the word is that the captain, Amrinder Singh, did not like the fact that he was publicly served an invitation to come and join in the coronation anointment of the new Congress Pradesh Committee Chief for Punjab, which is Navjot Singh Sidhu. He didn't like how it was done publicly. Even though he had wanted an official apology, he has decided to join in and be a part of the anointment of Sidhu as president, despite not getting that apology. But what we are picking up right now from the MLAs is that, Sidhu might now in front of his MLAs, he's already got the post, he's got the confidence of the High Command, he has the MLAs by his side, now might try to strike a reconciliatory note with the Chief Minister of Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh. He might say, what we're picking up from his loyalists, he might say that whatever has gone down, let it be water under the bridge. Let's start new. Let's fight this election together. That all might happen. But will it be accepted by the captain, or would he still somewhere down the line hold on that he never got that apology, a public apology? We don't quite know. We're going to keep getting you the latest that is coming in from inside. This is the Punjab Bhavan. This is the high tea which has been hosted by Captain Amrinder Singh himself for his band of MLAs. Navjot Singh Sidhu is inside. From here, en masse, the 80 MLAs along with, of course, Navjot Singh Sidhu and Captain, they'll all be going to the Congress Bhavan, and that is where, in front of a lot of Karyakartas, cadres of the Punjab Congress, whatever said and done, one thing that this has done is 6 months before elections, it's created a stir within the ranks of the Congress. Will it actually be bang for buck? Will it actually work out? We don't quite know. But there is a stir. You can see there's a sense of excitement in the cadre there. And that is where, at the Congress Bhavan in 1 hour from now, the official anointment or the coronation of the new king of Punjab will take place. Will he be king in 6 months from now when an election is fought under his umbrella? We don't quite know. But let's get you the latest on what has gone down in the last couple of months between the captain and his skipper, who now is captain of Punjab.
Is the captain Sidhu feud finally headed towards a truce? 2 of the 4 newly appointed Pradesh Congress Committee working presidents met the Punjab Chief Minister on Thursday to invite him for the induction of Sidhu as the party's new state unit chief. They handed over a letter signed by 58 MLAs to Captain, seeking his blessings for the new Punjab Congress team.
इन्विटेशन प्रधान साहब वालों और समूह मंत्री साहबान और एमएलए साहबान वालों दे के आए हैं उन्होंने उस इन्विटेशन को एक्सेप्ट किया या
With suspense building on Amrinder Singh's response, the Punjab Chief Minister threw up a surprise. The captain will not only attend Sidhu's taking charge ceremony, he will also rally his troops before that. Amrinder Singh has invited all Punjab Congress MLAs, MPs and senior leaders for tea at Punjab Bhavan at 10 in the morning, after which they will leave for Sidhu's induction together.
If it was Sidhu's show of strength at Amritsar, Captain Amrinder Singh has sent out a very clear message by inviting all Punjab Congress MLAs and MPs for tea ahead of Sidhu's installation ceremony. Perhaps Amrinder Singh wants to show that he's still the captain of Punjab.
So what happens next? Sidhu has been relentless in his attacks against the Punjab Chief Minister. So much so that till a few hours ago, Captain Amrinder was absolutely adamant on a public apology, a demand that was ignored by Sidhu and his loyalists. From the ongoing power crisis in Punjab to Amrinder Singh's unfulfilled poll promises and the alleged inaction in a sacrilege case, Sidhu has fired salvo after salvo at the Punjab Chief Minister.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह क्या बात कर रहे हो यार कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार है ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है
Will the captain forgive and forget, or is he waiting to strike back?
So is this a truce in Captain Sidhu war or is picture abhi baki hai? After months of bitter fighting, the two Sardars will be face to face first time on Friday. Will the meet signal a thaw in the Cold War? We will get a clear picture perhaps on Friday at 11 a.m. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.